No, let's choke him with the cord, right?
No, you guys!
No!
What are you doing?
Ooh, I got
Like-
the end. Here, Stacey, here's the end. Here's the end of the cord.
Ooh, he's getting a little feisty.
And you know he likes it like that.
I'll break your wrist.
I'll bite you.
Help me, please.
I'll bite you. No, don't help him. He doesn't like you.
I never said that.
Here, that's okay. He's really mean, and you don't want to be friends with him.
Ooh.
At least Addison's better than Myron, God.
Ow, ow, that was a nail, ow.
I feel like
Why are you
I'll bite you. Next time you touch me, I seriously will bite you.
bite me?
She bit me.
She left marks. Don't look at me like that.
I will kill you for me. Oh my goodness.
Oh, AJ.